Let's divide 72 by 2. Super Math Stars. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 72 by 2. We'll tack this one divide at a time. We look at the first divide of 72, which is 7. We're going to use this divide for now. How many times does 2 fit into 7? Let's count 2, 4, 6. That's 3 times. Now let's yak our work. 3 times 2 is 6. We write 6 below the 7. Time to subtract. 7 minus 6 equals 1. This is our remainder for this step. You're doing awesome, we've got this. We have a remainder of 1, so we bring down the next divide 2 to make 12. On to the next step. We're on to our next step. We now have 12 to work with. We bring down the next divide 2 to gain the remainder 1, forming the number 12. Now let's see how many times 2 fits into 12. Think of your 2 times doubles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 6 times. Let's yak 6 times 2 is 12. We write 12 below the 12. Subtracting now. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Now remainder this time. Fantastic work, you solved it. Since we have no remainder and no more divides to bring down, we're all done. Huff. So 72 divided by 2 equals 36. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing amazing. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.